Alright, today we're going to do a little bit more on the fodder system and explaining how our system works. One of the biggest questions we get is what seed do we use, and we're using barley. We get ours from Azure Standard because it's all that we can actually find right now, but it is organic, so that works out better, and it's cheaper, so good for that. This is the measuring cup that I use, and for this size of container, each drawer can take about 1.5 pounds of barley. If you put more barley in, you're going to start growing mold and fungus. If you put less in, you're not going to get a nice mat. So I just took a cup from the kitchen and figured out which one held 1.5 pounds, and what I'm doing now is working out I'm putting 2 drawers to soak in this container. Now, this container I got at the dollar store for $1, and if you can see, I drilled holes in it on the sides and on the bottom. And what I'm going to do is put 3 pounds of seed in here, and then later on I'm going to divide it into 2 different drawers. And then what I'm going to do, we're going to rinse it out with cold water because it's got a lot of dust in it. And what I'm going to do is take another one of these containers, which does not have holes in it, and we are going to put that one in there so that it holds water. And I would normally actually rinse that out a little bit more, but for time's sake I'm not going to do that. And we're going to let this sit for 24 hours to soak. Now, a lot of questions I get are, why do we just use barley? And you can actually use any kind of seed. As a matter of fact, I have some whole corn over here, and I could actually probably sprout that. This seed set, because it's the leavings, sometimes it has peas in it, and those actually sprout. So you can sprout. I have some scratch over here also that we could probably, oh, you can't see, it's too dark. We could sprout that too if we wanted to. But we're going with barley, and I'm going to put on my blog some of the research that I found and my take on that. So that's the next step in our barley system. Thanks.